Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete your Google Workspace admin account. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your account, and once you've logged in, you will go to the admin console. And after you go to admin console, you will basically look for the account settings, which should be right here. So what you will have to do is just click that, and then you will ensure that all data and users are transferred or removed already, and then you will just have to click delete account if it's available for you, and then you will just have to confirm um to confirm the action and review and you will be receiving confirmation email when the deletion is complete. And by the way, only delete admin accounts if another admin exists or all responsibilities have been transferred. And yeah, that's basically just it. Your Google Workspace admin account should now be deleted. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.